Okay, check this out. I'm in an old storage barn and it's not completely dark in here, but look at the light this Banral is throwing. All right, there, I've got it out all the way. I've got the focus pulled out. It's gonna throw its highest beam right there. That is crazy. Now watch as I extend and narrow the focus of this light. Look at this, look at this, look at this. That is a laser beam. The camera's not going to do it complete justice, but against that garage door, that is an absolute laser beam. Wow, that is very intense. Fully adjustable. That is crazy bright. I love it.
Are you sick of small flashlights being super dim? Well, this one fits right in your hand and it lights up everything. Plus, no batteries. You just plug it in to charge. You know what's crazy about this flashlight? Everyone who gets it says the exact same thing. It is unbelievably bright.
Let's go run this awesome little light through its paces. So I'm just standing at the door of this barn. It's an old kind of dilapidated old barn with beams and everything. Old lumber. It's a very old barn that's not in use anymore. But there's the wide beam, as you can see. Throwing out fantastic light.
Like, you turn it on and it's actually shocking how far the light goes. Most people expect just a normal beam, but this thing is next level. It basically turns night into day, and honestly, that's the #1 thing everybody is raving about.
So while I'm here at the barn, let's just show the different modes. And you simply access the modes by just pressing the power button. Keep pressing. You go to different modes. There's the strobe. That would freak somebody out. Or it may actually save your life. If you're in an emergency situation, you would definitely want that. And off. Let's go one more time. I'll just go through the modes. There's a little SOS. So yeah, very cool that you have these different modes. All right, to work the light beam on this flashlight, you simply slide the lens in or out to change the focus and adjust it however you want. So we'll turn it on and just slide it. Pretty awesome. Now I have focused this into trees 100 yards away and been able to see perfect. So if there was a Bigfoot or something like that trying to get away from me, it never would.
So is it worth it? Well, heck yeah, for the money. I've had some very expensive flashlights and this one works just as well. This Banral light is made tough. It's waterproof and you just plug it in to charge. In my opinion, it's just about perfect for anywhere you need a flashlight.